The smartest UK solar companies aren't just installing panels, they're installing AI. They're generating 47% more qualified leads while cutting acquisition costs by 38%. Agentic AI and n8n create an intelligent lead system that works 24/7. While traditional methods sleep, your AI assistant analyzes thousands of data points to find ideal solar candidates, engaging them with personalized communication. Intelligent automation connects your digital ecosystem, integrating your website, CRM, and communication channels into a system that delivers only high-probability leads. Forward-thinking UK solar providers see remarkable results. The future of solar energy is here. With AI, you can optimize every aspect of your solar business. Imagine a world where your sales team is free to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. AI takes care of the rest, ensuring you never miss an opportunity, higher customer satisfaction, and more strategic use of sales talent. Embrace innovation, drive growth, and lead the future of renewable energy. Click the link below to explore Syrvi AI solutions and transform your solar business.